What's up everyone? Welcome back to another OK Tested video.
Yo, what's up? कैसे हैं आप सब? बढ़िया?
And आज मैं बहुत excited हूँ.
आज की वीडियो से ये पता चलेगा Can we become intelligence agents?
And मुझे लगता है मैं कर सकता हूँ यार. लोग मेरे को बहुत ही diplomatic बोलते हैं. So we'll find out of course. Test देने के बाद तो पता चल ही जाएगा.
I can already answer that question and say probably not.
And guys, this test is conducted by Australian Secret Intelligence Service, which is ASIS.
What would I do if I become an intelligence agent?
I want to be an intelligence agent that's not a field agent, a desk agent. Give me a desk job.
It'll be really interesting if I get to live this dual life. जहाँ पे day job मेरी ये है, where I'm an OK Tested anchor and I shoot videos, and रात को I'll be moonlighting as a spy.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to do a test. Right on.
morehumanintelligence.com.au.
Okay, it's loading.
The most interesting job interview. Okay.
Please keep your experience private by using headphones. They wanted me to keep it private. You guys are telling me video बना दो इस पे.
अरे भाई ये सब क्या हो रहा है? What is the missing number in the sequence?
16, 6, 68, 8.
These are not multiples of 4, but they do have the number 8 and 6 in them.
इसको थोड़ा उल्टा करें तो 86, 88, 89, 90. अच्छा 87 है यार.
87. It's ulta.
So I think I would go with 96. Yes, I think I'll go with 96. What was it correct? I don't know.
Hi, you've made it. Welcome to the most interesting job interview.
It's very easy.
Oh shit.
Hi, you've made it. Welcome to the most interesting job interview. I've been contracted to interview you on behalf of ASIS, the Australian Secret Intelligence Service. Today's interview is for the role of an intelligence officer, an exciting and challenging career that requires a very specific skill set. In a moment, I'll be walking you through a series of challenges designed to evaluate whether you're the right kind of person ASIS is looking for. Here's a quick one to get you warmed up. When you came out of the elevator, there was a clock on the wall behind me. Did you notice what time it was set to?
Oh shit.
No, I did not.
अब सुबह शाम को 6 बजे तो बुलाएगी नहीं. सुबह 1:45 कर दिया जाओ.
I'm gonna go for the fluke.
1:45 also is an afternoon time. I would pick it up as 9:05 in the morning. I think that would.
Intelligence officers need to pay close attention to their surroundings. And in foreign intelligence, those surroundings are always changing. Most of your assignments will start here, in an airport. And while I can't tell you exactly where in the world you'll be working, I can tell you you'll be working with people. That's why intelligence officers need to be great communicators. Before we jump on a flight, let's see if you can persuade the attendant to give you an exit row seat.
Flight J8484 to Narita. This flight has now been cancelled. Please proceed to gate 5 for more information.
Oh, it appears the lady at the ticket desk is busy. Do you tap on the desk, wait, say excuse me, wave.
Obviously, you're not gonna wave because she's looking at the other direction. Tapping on the desk is a little rude. Wait, I'm not gonna do. I don't have time for that, so I'm just gonna say excuse me. Yes.
Say excuse me.
I don't want to tap on the desk and I don't want to wait. So say excuse me.
Thank you for waiting. How can I help you?
Same women.
Select the appropriate response. Would it please be possible to get my seat upgraded? You look worried. Everything okay?
You look worried, everything okay? Wow, it's really busy today. How are you holding up? You look familiar. Do I know you from somewhere?
You look very familiar. Do I know you from somewhere? That is exactly what I said like 10 seconds ago. So I'm just gonna go with that. Yeah, I would have said that. Yes.
Your flight's now ready to board. Have a good trip.
I should just ignore my question.
ये पूछता हूँ मैं. Wow, it's really busy today. How are you holding up?
She doesn't look worried, but it is busy today. How are you holding up? So I'll do that.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yeah, I've been on the double shift, so between you and me, I'm kind of glad this is the last flight. My feet are killing me.
Oh, bichari. Select the appropriate response. Hang in there. You'll be at home putting your feet up in no time. Tell me about it. I've been in transit all day. Oh, well. Okay.
Your flight's now ready to board. Have a good trip.
Let's do this. Hang in there.
Thanks, I can't wait to get home to my couch. Anyway, what can I assist you with?
If it's not too much trouble, I'd love a little extra room on this flight. I was wondering, is there any chance of getting an exit row seat? Let's go with, I was wondering, is there any chance of getting an exit row seat?
Your flight's now ready to board. Have a good trip.
What? You didn't tell me?
To pass that test, you needed to demonstrate an ability to read faces. Now I want to see if you can recognize them. Familiarize yourself with these people. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to spot them in a crowd.
Kate, Paul, Lisa.
अरे यार ये तो बहुत टफ लग रहा है. 3 लौंडियाँ हैं, 3 लौंडे हैं, एक अंकल है.
Okay, let's go for this. These are faces I have to memorize, I guess. I don't know. They might change the hairstyle or something.
I'm ready.
As you walk along the aisle, do you see any familiar faces?
Yeah, there is Ben there.
हाँ,
There is Ben there.
हाँ.
Yeah, she's also
Ben
there.
तो दिख गया मेरे को.
Yep. Yep. I've spotted 2 till now. Oh, you are here. Okay.
Did you see anyone you recognize?
Yeah, Ben was there.
Can you remember their names?
Ben, yeah, Ben was there, man. Oh, I could have selected.
This job will involve working with all kinds of people, often in exotic locations. But regardless of where you'll be or who you'll be working with, your basic responsibilities will remain the same. These might include working with overseas partners to prevent terrorist attacks, discovering valuable information relevant to Australia's national security and foreign relations, gathering information about domestic crime, or assisting the Defence Force in support of military operations. It's also an intelligence officer's job to determine which pieces of information are reliable. With that in mind, one of the statements I just made about the work of an intelligence officer is incorrect. Could you please tell me which one?
I don't even remember what she said, bro.
This is actually very intense because right now I was focusing in the background rather than what she was saying. So you have to be extra attentive in this.
Gathering information about domestic crime. Working with overseas partners to prevent terror. ये वाला, चौथा वाला.
It's either gathering information about domestic crime or assisting defense force in support of military operations.
I think the first one is incorrect, dude. That just doesn't seem right. Because you would want to gather information about domestic crime. Yes, that will help you.
Oh yeah, it's a secret intelligence. Secret intelligence is not about domestic crime. It's about international. I guess I don't know.
As you've probably gathered, ACES intelligence officers are great at noticing small details. That reminds me, back at the airport, a flight had been cancelled. Do you remember where it was going?
Why would you do that?
Yet.
मैं सब तुक्के मार रहा हूँ यार.
Were you listening?
I don't remember anything. I have zero powers of observation. Let's just go with Cape Town.
She's gonna select me wrong.
Were you listening? In intelligence, having sharp ears is just as important as having sharp eyes. Here's another test of your listening skills. In a moment, a woman at the table next to us is about to tell you about her meal in a restaurant. Afterwards, you'll be asked to answer the following questions.
What?
Where was the noodle shop? What kind of pasta did she order? How many courses did the set menu have?
Where, what, how many? I'm just trying to train my brain with the exact questions that I need to concentrate on in the entire audio clip. Where, the next is how, the third one is how many. No, sorry. See, I already forgot, man. I'm not really good at this. Okay, I'm ready.
I have to tell you about this noodle shop I found. It was tucked in a laneway right off. I went to this little Italian restaurant. When you go, you have to order the spring rolls. They're not in the fancy French restaurant I was telling you about. Oh, and don't remember making a reservation there the other night. And I was tossing up between different countries, different polite 6 but I ended up choosing the fettuccine. There was 4 of us in total, plus Jim. The prices were really reasonable. I don't definitely go back. Although next time I definitely order the gnocchi. A little overpriced if you ask me.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? They were all talking at the same fucking time, dude.
She came thrice and just kept talking, and I was like, what the hell was going on?
But you know what? तुम्हारे भाई ने where, what and how many पकड़ लिया फिर भी.
सब तुक्के.
Where was the noodle shop? Spring Street, Paris, Sicily, Emerald Street. Spring Street.
She did say Paris. Yes. Yes. Okay. What kind of pasta did you order?
Gnocchi.
It was linguine. Yeah. And she ordered 6.
It was 6, I think.
How'd you go? Here's a bonus question. Who cancelled?
अरे ये भी था क्या? If John, Tim, Dan, Tom कौन है यार?
Oh, she did mention Jim. Yes. I can recollect the name Jim. So I'm just gonna say Jim. Yes.
Diane.
Jim. Because I hate Jim.
Okay, I think I've seen all I need to see. Let's head back to the office. Thanks for coming in today. We hope you enjoyed the most interesting job interview. For more information on careers with ACES, visit the ACES website or feel free to retry the interview. I'll be here all day.
This role may not be quite right for you.
Oh, I'm a suitable candidate. Nice work. Although you fared better on some challenges than others, your overall results indicate that with proper training, you could be the type of person we're looking for. I might need to cut my hair because I need to blend in.
So what this test did to my brain right now was that there was a lot of things happening in my brain. Okay, so it had to be active. Obviously, I didn't make the test, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this test again and again till I make it.
Why do you think you should be hired?
I think when the test started, I knew, okay, now I have to be really attentive, I have to really look at everything, I have to see everything. I honestly don't think I'm suited to be an intelligence officer.
I don't think I should be hired as an intelligence agent right now, but give me 2 days. Because I think I can crack this. And if I do crack this, I think I can be an intelligence officer.
I don't think I should be hired as an intelligence agent because, you know, this test. Obviously बात है.
I'm sure मुझे ये पूछना भी नहीं चाहिए कि hope you enjoyed this video or not. I'm sure you enjoyed it because I am fucking ecstatic right now. I am right after this CT, I'm gonna take this test again and I'm not gonna stop till I actually crack it. Just how Josh did. So please, you also go. You'll find the link in the description. Take this test. Come back in the comment section. Let us know how well you did. If you got accepted, if you did not. I would be reading all the comments because I'm really excited and I want to know how many people actually got it. Do it with your friends too, no? So that you can see in your friends who's the Josh in your group. Alright guys, thank you for watching OK Tested. Stay safe and stay awesome.